Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Analytics Professionals. This series is about AWS and Machine Learning. This is lecture number 3 given by Shanaz Malik, myself. The aim of the lecture is to set up billing alerts in AWS. Before we proceed, if you find this video useful, then please like, share with your friends and colleagues, and leave your feedback as comments. These things really help us to evaluate our video, improve where necessary, and gives us enough motivation to make more videos for you. Set up billing alerts in AWS. To do so, first thing, we need to log in into AWS account. Once we log in into AWS account, we need to go to navigation panel and click on the billing and cost management dashboard. Then click on billing preferences. We need to receive PDF invoice by email, and if we do click this, which I recommend you to do so, once this feature is turned on, we will receive PDF version of our invoice by email. And we should remember that invoices are generally available within first 3 days of the month. Next, you will see cost management preferences. Take this option and you will receive free tier usage alerts. Once we turn on this feature, we receive email alerts when our AWS service usage is approaching or has exceeded the AWS free tier usage limits. If you wish to receive these alerts to an email address that is not the main email address associated with this account, then you can specify the one which you wish. Next, you will find receive billing alerts. So if you take this, and I suggest and recommend you to take this, turning this feature on will help us to monitor our AWS usage charges and recurring fees automatically, making it extremely clear to track and manage our spendings on AWS, which is extremely important while you are on AWS. You can set up billing alerts to receive email notification when your charges reach a specified threshold, and which we will also do in the coming lectures. So once you do this, we need to save these preferences. So nothing really difficult, very easy. So let's do it now. So if you see, I'm already logged in my AWS account just to save some time. Okay. And if you are not on this page, all you need to do is click your AWS account, whatever is your name, and then you go on to click this my billing dashboard. You will find this navigation panel, and in this navigation panel, all you have to do is click the billing preferences. Okay, once you click this billing preferences, okay, you will find this page. You will land on this page. Here, as I have already recommended, if you would like to receive PDF invoice by email, you have to take this cost management preferences. You need to take this regarding receive free tier usage alerts, and if you want to receive this in a specific email other than the one mentioned with this account, you can add that one for yourself and receive billing alerts as well. Okay, so once you do this, you save it, and you'll see the preferences saved, and that's it. And very simple. Again, go into your account and my billing dashboard. You'll see a landing page. You'll see this navigation panel. You click on here, you'll find this page. You click these three checkboxes, you save the preferences, and that's done. I hope this video was helpful, and if it is so, please do like. Do not forget to share with your friends and colleagues, and leave your feedbacks in the comment section, as that's really helpful. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.